Today, we are going to request and open a direct channel to Divine Source. We are going to flood your four bodies, your physical space, and the people you love with the universal energy of blessing. You can use this guided meditation for yourself, or you can simply play this video in front of your dowsing pendulum, your crystals, your pets, or your workspace to saturate them in this wish-fulfilling consciousness and frequency. Find a comfortable seat. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Take a deep, effortless breath in and let it go. To receive the ultimate blessing of the universe, your avatar must drop all of its ego defenses. Relaxation is the absolute best state for receiving energy. If your physical or mental muscles are tense, you are actively blocking the flow. Let the physical matrix dissolve for a moment. Relax your forehead. Unclench your jaw. Let your shoulders drop completely away from your ears. Open your hands and let your palms face upward, resting easily on your lap. Feel your legs becoming heavy and grounded. Now drop the shields of your mental body. For the next few minutes, you do not need to analyze anything. Do not interpret the energy. Do not wonder if you are doing it right. Just be the pure observer. Your four bodies are now an open, empty, perfect vessel. The channel is now open. Imagine a boundless, infinite source of pure golden white light hovering just above the crown of your head. This is the universal energy of blessing. This is the frequency of absolute completion and wish fulfillment. Feel this warm, glowing light gently touch the top of your head. It slowly begins to pour down, flowing effortlessly into your physical body. It washes through your brain, instantly bringing profound peace and stillness to your mind. It flows down your neck and cascades into your chest, filling your heart center. Feel your emotional body expanding, warming, and radiating with the absolute certainty that everything is already okay. Let this golden blessing pour down your arms and out through your open palms. Let it flood your abdomen, your hips, down your legs, and out through the soles of your feet. You are completely saturated. Every cell, every atom, every record in your four bodies is now vibrating with the energy of absolute good luck, perfect health, and smooth, effortless manifestation. You are unconditionally loved by the simulation. The universe is blessing you right now. Now, because you are overflowing with this source energy, we will project it outward. Bring your awareness to the physical room around you. Let this golden light radiate from your chest, filling your workspace, your home, and your sanctuary. Bless the walls, bless the objects, bless the environment. Let this space become a magnet for miracles. Now, bring to mind someone you love, a family member, a friend, a pet, or a partner. You don't need to force it. Just let this golden energy of blessing effortlessly flow from you to them. Wrap them in the frequency of completion. Bless their health, bless their path, and bless their happiness. Finally, let this light expand to cover the entire earth. Bless the planet, bless the collective, bless the entire illusion. When you bless the world has no choice but to bless you back. Sit in this energy for just a moment longer. Feel the thick, warm, buzzing energy field that now surrounds your avatar. This is the state of wish fulfilled. Now, we will lock this frequency into your system. Listen to these words and let your reality engine accept them as absolute truth. Everything is proceeding smoothly. My path is perfectly guided. Every desire of my soul is reaching absolute perfect completion. I call upon the collective angelic team. Energize and optimize this universal blessing into the four bodies. Lock this frequency of ultimate luck and completion into the physical cells, the emotional baseline, the mental logic, and the spiritual records. And so it is. Take a very deep, slow breath in, absorbing the last of this beautiful light, and exhale deeply. When you feel ready, gently wiggle your fingers and your toes, smile, and slowly open your eyes. You are completely blessed. You can return to this video whenever you feel resistance building in your life. Play it for yourself, play it for your crystals, play it for your pets. Let the universal energy do the heavy lifting for you. I'm Darreck. Walk in absolute blessing today.